I think your friend didn't like it. No, you gotta process it. What are you doing? Oh, you're killing it like that? It's dead. I think it's dead. He didn't give you a live fish. He gave you a dead fish. Are you gonna spit it out or are you gonna finish it? Not bad, not bad, not bad. You still have it? It's in your beak? Yeah, it's a little bit in your beak. Okay, how are you gonna process it? By the way, I'm far from it, so I'm speaking mainly to you guys. Whoever's watching the video later, it's not like he hears me. Gee, I don't know. Oh, he still didn't process it completely. Oh, it's going down? Yeah? Okay, excellent. You don't have it in your beak anymore, right? Show me your beak. It's not there? Okay.